Hello. I want to tell you what extending Art of Illusion can do for you. This book was written to be your guide to adding features to Art of Illusion, using plugins and scripts. To help you better understand the kind of plugins and scripts you will be able to develop, let us look at some of the examples from the book. You cannot fully appreciate their value until you see them in action. Chapter 3 is a plugin that will drop one or more objects to the floor of the scene. This demonstrates a way to find the edge of a three-dimensional object and to move it to a given position using either a keyboard shortcut or through the menus. Chapter 4 demonstrates a way to determine where objects in the scene are in relationship to other objects. The Point At plugin uses this capability to point scene objects, such as the scene camera, at another object in the scene. This can be used to center an object in front of a camera. It is sometimes useful to know when two objects collide with each other. A method of doing this is demonstrated in Chapter 5 with the Place On example. In this example, the menu command will cause the selected object to move downward until it rests on top of the object below it. One use for a tool like this is to rest objects on a table. You may want to create new objects that are as easy to use as the basic objects that come standard in Art of Illusion. Chapter 6 demonstrates how to create new objects in the Torus example. A feature that some three-dimensional graphics tools is the ability to automatically update the orientation of objects when other parts of the scene change. This capability is provided by the Tracker example in Chapter 7. As you can see, when tracking is enabled, all of the trackers follow the movement of the object. Using similar techniques, you will be able to develop plugins that update dynamically. But there is more. The second half of the book is a quick reference that you can use as a reminder of all of the classes and functions available to you in the Art of Illusion API. It also includes a reference of the classes available for use in the Art of Illusion user interface,